lots of Rizq. Okay, in this video, I'll be showing you the features of the Hisense Side Refrigerator 2020 model. So that's how it looks like from the outside. It's actually made of glass. So this part is actually glass. You can see some reflections going on there. And then the side is the normal metal. Okay, what do we have here? On the left door, you'll find the control buttons. It's touch screen, so it says no frost at the very top, and then you have the fridge and freezer controls where you can set the temperature, and you have mode. This is where you can select 3 options. I'll show them to you later. And the unlock button. Okay, normally when you open these 2 doors, either side of them, you'll see the LED lights turn on. Okay, I'll show that to you in a moment. And on the upper right hand portion, you'll find the Hisense logo. We decided to get this bigger fridge to replace what we were using before. So it's also a 2-door fridge. The top section is the freezer, and then the bottom part is the usual fridge area. So as you can see, it's quite compact. So whenever we buy groceries, fresh meat, seafood, ice cream, is usually very full and so packed inside. The bottom area has several layers, but there's only one section for the veggies and fruit. So also every time we buy groceries, you'll find the fridge very full. Not enough space for other things to be put in. So yeah, that's why we decided we needed a new one, and this is what we got. As you've noticed, the other fridge is already empty. Everything have been transferred inside this other fridge. Okay, so let's see the LED buttons where we can find the settings of this fridge. So once you open either side of these doors, you'll see the LED lights turn on. So let's give it a try. I'll open up the right door. There you go. I'll close the door again. It will still be on. Current settings, 5 degrees and -18 degrees. The top one is for the fridge, and the bottom one is for the freezer. So this is where you can find the buttons for fridge and freezer, and this is the mode. There are 3 settings. Currently it's locked. You can see that. Come back. Alright, so let's try to unlock it. You have to press this button for about 3 seconds. Okay, there you go. It's been unlocked. Fridge temperature. You can press this to adjust. Okay, so let's set it back to 5. And then freezer is the same thing. Okay, back to the original settings. For the mode, it's okay. This setting is for artificial intelligence, so it's like automatic setting, default setting of the fridge. This is also the initial setting when you first turn on the refrigerator. Okay, there are other 2 mode options. This icon is, as you can see, is like an umbrella on a beach. There's like a bench at the bottom there. So this is the holiday mode. So if you're going on a long holiday, and no one's gonna be at home, this is what the setting that you can choose. And it's been advised not to keep or not to store any food during that time, so yeah, it might get spoiled, so that's what they have added in the manual. Don't store anything. No, don't store food during this time. The next mode is, oops, it's already set back to lock. Okay, so you see, after about less than a minute as well, I think it locked the LED panel again. So let's unlock it one more time. Okay, and let's change it to the next one. This is super freeze setting. If you want to cool the fridge, especially the freezer area, if you want to freeze meat or seafood faster, then this is the setting that you have to choose. Okay, so okay, it locked again. Let's unlock it one more time and set it to the original setting, which is the artificial intelligence. Alright, that's how the buttons work, and let's leave it to lock. And eventually the lights will turn off after less than a minute. Okay, so before I show you the inside, I just want to let you guys know that it's not really that organized, so please bear with me. If you guys are familiar with the Home Edit ladies, well, this fridge is nothing close to what they can do. Okay, so please don't expect too much. I just want to show you how it looks like, the features, the layers, the compartments. Okay, so let me open it up. Ta-da! Let me just move back a bit so you can fully see how it looks. Alright, so right at the door itself, there are 3 compartments, 1, 2, 3, and then the inner part, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers and 2 drawers. Right, so the drawers, the bottom one is where you can put your fruits. There's actually an apple sort of logo. I don't think you'll be able to see it that well because it's frosted, but yeah, there it is. So yeah, I kind of followed it and just put our apples over there. I don't have other fruits currently. And the next layer is still very messy. That's where we put our veggies. There you go. And the different layers, I hope I'll be able to organize it properly later on when I have more containers to use. It has this what do you call this? This is where you can put like sodas, some drinks. Yep, it's made of metal, and I have like this 2 IKEA compartments where I put some of our stuff. This is for jams and mayo. This is where we have our cheese, some bread. I still don't have compartments or containers for eggs. I think later on I'll probably buy a few set of them. And yeah, I tried to put some of the stuff in these layers. It came, by the way, the fridge came with this egg tray, but only like for six pieces of eggs. There it is. So I just put it in this microwavable container. And the door compartments, the top portion, I put some of my baking stuff. There you go. And the second layer is where I put our sauces, tomato sauce, soy sauce, yeah, barbecue sauce and stuff. And this portions where we have, it's still they're not of the same category, I would say. So this is the milk and yeah, honey juice and strawberry syrup. If you guys heard some beeping, the fridge will do that beep 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 sound if the door has been opened for some time. I think for about 2 minutes it will make that sound. Okay, so yeah, that's the right door, the fridge section. Now let's move on to the freezer section. Another ta-da! Okay, let me move back a bit again. So it's somewhat similar to the fridge area. There, except the door part, there are 4 compartments. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the inside got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers as well, and another 2 compartments or 2 drawers at the bottom. So the bottom part, it also has some distinction. Okay, so they suggested this second layer, the second drawer at the top, is for fish, and this part is for, there's a like a chicken logo there, so there's the bottom part is for the meat, and that's what I followed. I put some of our beef, chicken inside there, and fish. We only have salmon right now, and the other layers I put some of our frozen chicken, ready to fry chicken, and some of our leftover foods are there. I try to put the small items in this blue freezer safe containers there, and these are our frozen fruits because my husband loves to drink smoothie. Later on, I plan to put them in separate containers so they will look more presentable, hopefully. Okay, and yeah, the right, oh, I mean the door part is where I put some other smaller items. Oh, yeah, you heard the beeping again because the door has been open for 2 minutes already. So some frozen yogurt, rice balls, burger patties, and some fish balls down there. Okay, that's how the freezer looks like. Not bad. I think the space is just good enough for our family. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video about the features of this Hisense Side-by-Side refrigerator. Hopefully, I'll be able to make another video when I put in some more containers inside to make it look more organized. So watch out for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye.